Another story. What happened? You saw fishes?
Yeah.
Okay. What
And
happened?
I saw baby fish and I saw mommy fish, daddy fish.
Okay. What did
And
they do?
Sarah bundle fish and then Chanty fish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You love this? And
Yeah.
don't go get that.
Okay.
And it is a big and don't get them.
Why?
They bite.
Did you bite?
Yeah.
Do they have teeth?
Yeah.
I'm so scared.
Shark teeth and alligator have alligator's teeth. She's like this.
Oh
And
God.
he can bite.
Oh God, I'm so scared.
And I'm going to hold you, yeah?
Okay, you're not scared?
And don't go in.
Okay.
Don't go swim and swim. And there's an alligator. Don't go alligator's mouth.
Okay.
You go zoo.
Mm.
We go zoos, yeah? My
Yeah.
dad.
Mm.
They all go zoo. And don't go alligator.
Okay.
I'm scared.
You're scared? But you're so brave.
Don't go alligator.
You'll hold me?
Yeah.
You'll help me?
And alligators come slowly.
Mm.
And I bring up stick. Go bite you. And you call me, okay?
Okay. But if it bites me, it'll eat me.
I bring up stick and beat here.
You'll beat the alligator?
And Titi take up alligator eyes and throw his eyes and nose.
Where will you throw it?
I throw the sharks and shark eat his mouth and nose.
Okay, and alligator will not have any mouth and nose?
Yeah.
And what will the alligator do then?
Titi said ding ding ding. No, now the nose. And I pull a rope and throw all these alligators.
Oh, you're so brave.
Yeah?
Good.
You want me to do this?
Yeah, I want you to do that.
Okay. So, Daddy, where you want to go? I want to go. I tell Daddy how to go. Where to not this. I want where to go. Daddy lives there.
Okay.
To this? No. Daddy lives to this home and he lives there.
Okay.
And Daddy lives there. Yeah?
Okay, yeah.
This is your bed there.
Okay.
So stay bed, Daddy bed, Mommy bed, and Daddy bed.
Okay.
We have to go quick. And somebody touches your bed and my bed.
Uh-oh.
And to go in aeroplane,
Yeah.
the big airplane, there's a TV.
I am scared of the aeroplane.
Don't worry, I hold you very tight.
Okay.
And us airplane, we go pilot, we see pilot and go.
Oh.
It's fly up in the sky.
Okay.
And helicopter also fly. And
Ship also fly.
no, they also can swim.
Okay.
Can swim.
A cycle can fly.
No, cycle.
Can swim.
No.
Then where does it go?
He's going to market.
Okay.
He's pedal. And this is shark touching. And he moves the shark. And moves the shark. And cycle say go. And this is another shark. This is another whale. And I push him.
Oh, you're not scared of the whale?
No, I push him.
Uh-oh.
And it's moving and moving and moving. And he don't eat my neck and mouth and butter. He don't eat all this. It is see this or this or this. Which you want to see?
I don't want to see anything right now.